use it for later. But yeah, that's the install. Yo, what is going on, guys? So this video is just part of my cheap mod series that I've done. Pretty much the best cheap mods that you could do to the car. We did some Amazon tinted sequentials in the last one, and the one before that we did a cheap stubby. So I think both of those together were all under 50 bucks. So today we're gonna go with a cheap modification, which is our Torque Solutions rear wiper delete. I think this thing was on sale. I don't know. It was 20 bucks. And I don't know about you guys, but I do not use this. I don't even think I have a blade on it. I do not even have a blade on it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and swap that out. I'll put a link for it in the description. But yeah, this is it. Fucking cheap, but you know, it'll look nice, it'll look clean in the rear. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. So yeah, we're just gonna take this off. I just pop that cover off, and that is just a 13 millimeter. And then this just wiggle off. Kind of a trick to get this off is when it's on there, you just kind of wiggle back and forth real quick. Not super hard, but I also just used some of this to spray it around, and I was able to get that off. So yeah, kind of done with that. All right, we are in the hatch now. What the? And we have to pop that off. So what I think I'm gonna use, maybe one of these. Let me just get in there. That's out. Just finding some openings right there. And I believe you got some 7 millimeters in there, so you're gonna take 2 out and 2 out. Now that they're out, you should just be able to pop. Oh my gosh. Maybe get in here, and it's all just clips. I know those are painful sounds, but especially if this hasn't been off, you know, those clips are still fresh. So let me continue popping this off, and when it's off, I'll show you what to do next. All right, so that's off. You gotta pop that out, and then we take out these bolts, and I believe that they are 8s. So yeah, I need them 2 hands, but all these, and it should drop. So we have the motor out. You kind of just pull it down, and then you have this piece up here, which it kind of just, oh fuck, you kind of just push out in a way, and this is what it's looking like out here. So yeah, that's that. So make sure these tabs stay. But yep, pull that piece out. You don't need that. Cool. Now we get this thing. I will say, make sure you pull this out too. So that is right over here. So you just pry that out. Wipe it down, you know. Inside and out. Cool. And like I said, I went with the Torque Solutions kit. So you're gonna take this and it's gonna go right there, just like that. And then you're gonna take this and feed it up through. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so I know on this, the facelift, there's less openings, so to get this to work, you don't really have room to feed it through. I just used a non-deep socket, stubby boy, and I fed it through. So that should make it a bit easier. And then when tightening this down, get it centered. And then once it's centered, tighten it down until the lock washer is flat, and then maybe a half a turn. Maybe. Be careful because you don't want to shatter your window. So that's it. Now let's put everything back together. And yes, we are not putting the motor back in, so save that. And then take these off. Oh shit. Take these clips off. Golly. Because they're gonna rattle if you leave them in. And I have enough rattling going on in this car as it is. Damn. So we'll take that off, and then we can put the panel back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Panel back on. All right, panel back on. Don't forget your 7mm. Just punch it all back in. Damn, my fucking is a mess. It's never clean. So, and that's it. Cleans up the back. I know this sticker, I got a new one coming. That's gonna look a lot better, but that's it. Look at that. Beautiful. Just cleans up the trunk a lot better. And I never use a rear wiper anyways, so there's no point for me, but I keep everything just in case. So bag it, save it, use it for later. But yeah, that's the install. That is unfortunate. Cleaned up the back glass for you guys after that mishap. But yeah, clean. 20 bucks. I don't think you can beat it. Cleans it up so well. Beautiful. Took like 15 minutes.